effect of extremely low temperatures on living beings. So question is, the branch of science which deals with the study of effects of freezing on biological materials is called as biochemistry, cryobiology, pharmacology, ecology. You have 5 seconds to give the correct answer. Now we will see the answer. Biochemistry is wrong answer. Cryobiology is the correct answer. Other two options are wrong. Now we will see the explanation. Cryobiology is related with effects of extremely low temperature on living things. Biochemistry, chemical processes in living organism. Pharmacology, drug or medication action. Ecology, organisms, environment interaction. See, with term we will try to correlate. See, whenever you see word having this cryo, it means very low temperature. Cryo means very low temperature. Here biochemistry, bio means biology, chemistry is chemical processes, chemistry is related with chemical processes. So biology means living organism and chemistry chemical processes. Pharmacology, pharmacy, you know pharmacy, we go in pharmacy and take drugs and medication, so you can correlate with this. And be very well know ecology is study of our environment and organism present in that. Their interaction is covered in ecology. Related to key living features, important question is here, we will see. Most important character of living organism is, options are growth, multiplication, protoplasm, movement. Now you have 5 seconds to give the correct answer. Please try to give answer in the comment section. Now we will see the correct answer. Growth is wrong answer. Multiplication is wrong answer. Protoplasm is the correct answer. Movement is wrong answer. Now we will see the explanation. So, most important feature of living. Protoplasm is living matter. Without this, life does not exist. Without protoplasm, life cannot exist. So, most important characteristic of living organism is the presence of protoplasm in its cells. This is cell, inside protoplasm is there. This is the most important feature of living organism.